burying the muck, because as you can see there's a lot of lumps up there, so we've got our old set of discs that were in the stinger that, as you can see. There's still some on top of it. And we're have to disc that. See if we can get it any better. There's a fire over there somewhere. We've also got a lot of dust here. It's very dry, and there's now no wind at all. Well, very little wind, so the dust is not really moving much. If you look at the back, you can see all the dust coming off. It's now 7 o'clock in the evening. Come back over here with them discs, please. Ploughing heading. This field's been an absolute nightmare. Too much straw on the field. I mean, you can see it here. It was pulled up. You couldn't pull it. Lifted it out. I mean, you can see straw all over the field. But it just hasn't turned out properly. But we're nearly there now. I'm on the head. I've got a bit round the corner there as well, but I'm on the head end now. So end is in sight of this field. There we go, look. Bump. Can't see it in the camera. There's a lump of straw. There we go. Wow, the sun just went. Coming towards the end of this field, we've just got this small bit here, storing quite so bad, banging up here. I didn't get the worst bit because I was so wound up. I didn't feel like recording. So yeah, so we're nearly there. Ploughing the headland, and look at the dust coming off that other plough. We're probably going what? Oh, I'm going 4.5 kilometres an hour, so he's probably going about the same speed. It's so dry, you know. Ploughing cornfield. or trying to plough cornfield, I should say. With some more straw causing me problems again. It's not getting any worse. Hopefully it will clear. We'll see what happens. We'll do. Just pick up a load more. We'll have to lift up a it and a load more. Let's see what happens. It's starting to ball out. Anyway, this field is the first field I ever ploughed when I was probably 16, 17. Back in the probably 90s somewhere. I ploughed it with a 2-furrow Ransoms TS82 with one of these levers you put it and it trips it over on the back of a Sammy 60 horsepower 4-wheel drive tractor. Yep, that was my first experience of ploughing on this field all that time ago. Yep, and now I'm in a 260 horsepower, well that's a booster power, ploughing power is about 225 horsepower New Holland with a 6-furrow on the back. So yeah, but then we used to plough with a 4-furrow, that was a Ransoms on the back of a, I think it was either, no, it was a Massey Ferguson 3080. Yeah, but I was just, that was just me. We just got an old plough. I just used to, my dad used to let me out on this field just to plough it. I ploughed it probably 3 or 4 years before I graduated onto the big stuff. We're partway through this last field of ploughing. It's only a small field, about 3 acres, 1.3 hectares, something like that. Putting the final load of this strawy muck on, and then over the other side there's the culti press on that field we're having all that problems with when it wasn't playing ball. One of my subscribers suggested about getting a microphone. Well, I ordered an external microphone for the phone because the background noise was bad. So I ordered one yesterday and it arrived today, and I'm using it today. It's a lot different because I've now got my phone on me mount on the back window, and I'm looking out the front window and you can hear me because I've got the microphone clipped onto me shirt. So, and now the just fallen off the window. Having said that, you didn't fit, fell off the window. Anyway, I'll see if I can show you my microphone. I don't quite know how this is going to work because I can't see what I'm filming, but it's here somewhere, about there. So yeah, that's with the microphone. And if I pull this out, yeah, that's without the microphone. You can hear the difference. I've done some experiments with it. So yeah. Right guys, we're on the last head into this small field. Got 3 or 4 strips on here, I think. Yeah, it's the last field of ploughing for this year, apart from what's after sugar beet. We might not plough that, we might use that new machine, the Sumo. I don't know, I have to see what the weather's like when we do it. End of next month, beginning of November. So yeah, ploughing's gone not too bad. I don't think it's rained at all since we started ploughing about, I don't know, 2.5, 3 weeks ago. I think there was a few drops the first night, but apart from that we haven't had nothing at all. So yeah, right, you'll see me in a minute. We're on the last row. Right, here we are guys, we're now actually on the last row here. Getting out the back of the window, It's a nice dirty mark in the middle of my shop. Let's see if I can clean that. Is that any better? I don't know. Not really. That's pretty bad, isn't it? Let's see if I can clean the window. Not really. Oh well, guys. Sorry, I'm gonna have to cope with a bit of a rubbish image. That's not too bad. Yeah. So we're on the last row now. Then we've got a short bit in just inside the gateway. It's now opening up. You can see that little ram on the side there. That's closing it. That's making it wider. Let's get right in a minute. There we go, right. The last short little work. There's a couple of these, so right, that's one. The difficult plough the last little bit when you're quite near a road as well. Right, dropping the plough in for the last pull. Spinning a bit here. Oh dear, come on. There we go. Ploughing 2020 is finished. As in, apart from after sugar beet. Turn the plough over to make sure the mud falls off before I go on the road. And then you have to have the plough the other way up so that the furrows stick inwards. There's only a short drive to the farm, about half a mile, but still make sure they're inwards so you don't. So when you swing around the corner and you've got a 6 furrow plough, it's surprising how far that go out. And the last thing I want to do on the last 30 home with the plough is take out a car or a lorry. So yeah, we're now heading back to the farm. Well, hey, for finishing the ploughing. I hope you enjoyed this video with this new microphone here. It's a lot better, I'm sure you agree, but you need to write in the comments if you think it's better. And also I've done an introduction this week, a different one. I'll use this on all the videos. If you think it's a good idea, suggestions are very much recommended. So don't forget to subscribe and other videos down here and the thumbs up. Cheers guys.